How to buy GROKLORD token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money or on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is available right now on the screener. It's created just 1 hour ago. It's very new and increased by 3000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity are unlocked by 100%. That's mean investment in safe place. This token also trending number 4 on Solana section. Now to be able to buy this token, it is as simple. Copy the token address from here. Open your funds wallet for that, as you can see. Now I will just log into my wallet first, as you can see here. Now click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here, as you can see, and here paste the token. So as you can see, this auto token, click on it, and here type how much you want to buy. And here you'll be able to see how much you receive. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. Click on swap. Now after that, you will be able to redact the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page, and as you can see, switch the slippage from your customer, because the most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you can go and buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy GROKLORD token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.